Millions of visitors come to the Dolomites, in Italy, every year. They see mountains, sunrise, snow, and valleys. But very few know the real story behind these giant walls of stone. Before these peaks ever touched the sky, they lived underwater. More than 200 million years ago, this region was a warm, shallow tropical sea filled with coral reefs and marine animals. Life was calm, slow, and silent. Layer by layer, corals built growing structures made of calcium carbonate. Over millions of years, chemical reactions began to transform the coral. Magnesium-rich waters changed the original limestone and converted it into a new mineral called dolomite. This unique chemistry is the reason these mountains reflect a soft pink and orange glow during sunrise and sunset. Time continued to shape the earth. Tectonic plates collided. The quiet ocean floor was lifted upward. Slowly, what was once a coral reef became a towering mountain range. The Dolomites were born. Humans arrived much later. They built simple villages at the foot of the mountains. They learned how to survive the long winters and how to navigate steep valleys and narrow passes. During the First World War, these mountains became the stage of a frozen conflict between Italy and the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Soldiers carved tunnels directly into the stone. They survived winters at extreme altitudes and fought in silence above the clouds. Today, traces of those tunnels still remain. But the Dolomites are not only stone and history, they are also legend. One of the most famous stories is about King Loren and his magical rose garden. The legend says that when the sun sets, the sky reveals the glow of the invisible roses he once protected. Some believe that the pink light of the Dolomites at sunset is his eternal curse. As the sun rises, the mountains turn into fire for a few short minutes. The stone glows in warm colors, and the valleys rest in silence. It feels like the mountains remember something older than humanity itself. The Dolomites are a reminder that the earth moves slowly, and time is patient. These peaks were once coral, then ocean floor, then battleground. Now they are one of the most iconic landscapes on the planet. Nature does not rush, and yet, everything changes.